Help Kyle.
Hayden, help! Help, Mommy! Anybody help! Now it's my turn to help. Okay? Yeah, I'm stronger. Okay, Hayden, hang on! Hayden! Then rush me over here. Okay? Come here.
Be gentle.
Ready to spin? Yeah!
Be gentle.
1, 2, 3, spin! Okay, then that's your turn for you to spin me. Yeah. Then spin me. Okay, then here. Sit on my and hold me like that. Okay. Now ready? Yeah? Touch me.
Oh, careful. What's wrong, Caden? Oh, it's okay. It was an accident, Caden. Can you say you're sorry? It was an accident.
He said sorry to me.
Can you say you're sorry, Kyle?
What are you doing to do?
Be a little more careful. Can you do a soft spin with him, Kyle? Caden, you want to do a soft spin?
Are you going to say you're sorry? I'll still do down here. Hayden, come here. Come here. Let's do it. Huh? Hayden. We have to do it up here.
Yeah, let's go up here, Caden.
Do it up here. Okay? Let's do it over here, okay? Okay. Hayden, ready for me to jump over the moon? Jump over the moon.
Careful. Go back that way on the grass now.
Daddy, I jumped over the moon. Jump over the moon.
Kyle, let's move that way, away from the street. Careful, careful.
Sorry. Hayden, come here.
Can you do a spin with him, Kyle? Kyle, he wants to do a spin.
Wanna do it?
Spin him.
That was a spin, Kaden. That was a spin. Let's do another Rocky Dock. That was a Rocky Dock.
It was.
That was a Rocky Dock.
You guys are silly
That was
monkeys.
a Rocky Dock the dock.
Okay.
Walk Dock. Come here. Here. Now, launch with us. Okay. This was a house. This was a Hella. This was a Hella. This was a Hella.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Ready to do it? Go down. So good. Okay, now. Hayden, hey. Somersault over me. It's what? Somersault over me. And that was a backflip. That was a backflip.
I see that.
Okay, ready for our next trick, Hayden? Ready? Hayden! Ready?
Aw, thanks for the hug.
Hayden!
Thanks for the hug, Caden.
Hayden! Hayden! We have some more tricks to do.
You guys
We have some more tricks to do.
do some tricks, guys.
Here's what.
Be nice.
We have more tricks to do. Hayden, do a somersault over me.
Did somebody just toot?
A somersault. A wamba. I too.
You did? Okay.
I jumped over the moon.
Are you a cow?
I jumped over the moon.
Oh, seed drop. Yikes.
See, I jumped over the moon.
Good job.
I got over the moon.
You did. Oh.
Hayden, ready for our next trip?
Oh, my. Oh, dear. Oh, careful.
That was a bit one.
Be careful with your feet, okay?
That was a bit one.
Oh, did you get an owie?
Ready for our next trick? No, we're yet. We have some more tricks to do on the trees, okay?
Okay. Does that hurt your doggy socks? Give him a kiss. There you go. Now you give him a kiss, Kyle. Kiss his doggy. No, don't hurt the doggy.
Ready to run? Ready? Run from this.
He's got to get his shoe on, hun.